Today, summer is here and sometimes plain water is just not enough. We need a little extra. I'm gonna give you 4 yummy and healthy summer drink options which are really great for you and your family. But before I do that, I'm Sangeeta Narayan. I'm a dietitian and a fitness consultant, and you're on the N Health Lifestyle channel. Watermelon juice, that's the first one. Watermelons contain more than 90% water. They flush out toxins and give you a shining skin. To make the juice, remove the seeds, dice the melons, blend it, and pour it. It's that easy. This drink is low in calories. 100 grams of watermelon gives you just 16 calories versus other packaged drinks which may give you anywhere between 48 to 60 calories. It keeps your weight in control. It is great to beat the heat, relieves muscle soreness, and really refreshes you. The second one is spiced buttermilk. For this you'll need a bowl of curd. 100 grams of curd contains more calcium than that of milk. It is great for your bones, teeth, and can be had even by lactose intolerant. The other ingredients are chopped coriander, green chili, grated ginger, curry leaf, salt, and water. Blend dahi with some salt. To this add the remaining ingredients. Mix it well, add water as per your desired consistency and more salt if needed. This drink cools your stomach, improves digestion. For those who get migraine headaches due to sun exposure, the spiced buttermilk relieves their symptoms as it has ginger in it. The third drink is coconut water. When the sun saps your energy, coconut water acts like a cool breeze. It maintains your fluid balance and refreshes you. Having coconut water 3 to 4 times a week helps manage high blood pressure as it is very rich in potassium. You can keep it in the fridge and enjoy it chilled, or you can also put a teaspoon of soaked chia seeds for added benefits. The fourth one is Sattu drink. Sattu is a great source of protein for vegetarians. 100 grams of Sattu gives you 20 grams of protein. Sattu is also very good for our digestive health. Whenever we indulge in junk food, heavy and oily food, it passes very slowly through our intestines and it accumulates there, causing gas, bloating, and constipation. Sattu is rich in fiber and it acts like a sponge and takes away all the dirt and oil and detoxifies our body. This drink is so easy to make. I got the recipe from my neighbor Rita auntie and I just loved it. Put 3 tablespoons of Sattu in a glass, add little water and stir it to make a thick paste. Add some jaggery powder, a pinch of black salt, then add more chilled water and a few drops of lime. Sattu is good for people with anemia. It reduces cholesterol and is also good for weight loss. It has so many benefits and is so easy to make. Thanks for watching our video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Leave your comments, like and share our video. Bye-bye.